Welcome back to Second Life. We're at Nightingale's Victorian winter at Cuddle Shore. It's also called the North Pole. So whatever it is, we're there. Let's get them attached. There we go. See, the baby's here with us. Try out this chair. Think chat listening drink have one. We're going to get one. There's two other drinks as well, and then we'll feed up and tired. Okay, so we'll get her up. Back to him. There we go. Lovely furniture. Looks like the same couch all around. So we're just going to try one of them. Where did we put her? Oh, she went over there. Alrighty. Oh, look at them. Desit one. Well, let's try all the buttons. Huh? How about that one? No, I don't like that. What we really want is cuddle. There you go. The coffee table is much too close. Should be out here. I mean, another thing they could have done is turn them sideways. Oh, that's cute. Number 3. So that is awkward. Oh. Very cute. And 6. Back that up. That was floor cuddle. Now we're at sit cuddle. Okay. That's the way to be. it, Cuddles. And then next the sequences. So that was all there was. Get Mother up. There we go. And baby leaps to Mother's side. And here's Father. Now the other ones would be exactly identical. So this was Lucera Marlena Sofa. Yeah. How about this? I think that would be the one. Yes. It does say cuddle. Let's try it out. Oh my. Nutmeg Timeless Armchair. There's 3 poses here. And number 3. Very cute. And there we go. Yeah, it's a miniature golf. Well, I think we have seen it all here. So let's see about taking the teleport below. If I can find that. There it is. Alrighty. Oh, look at this! It turns us to the bottom. Okay, let's do the same for them for them too. And for baby. Okay. Let's try Mother in one of these chairs. Gals. Oh, it's just for sitting. It's not cuddles. How about that? Go. Very cute. Lounge. Rest. Aww. Excuse me. cold. Oh my. Snog. Deep snog. Oh my. Close. Lay. Imagine if you were in a fursuit. So was your loved one. Gaze. Though you might not be much to gaze upon, it would certainly be warm and comfortable. Fire one. Fire two. Go back to rest. That was a mistake. I should have had her up first, but oh well. Oh, look at that little Charlie Brown Christmas tree. Fallen snowman. Now, what is up in this building? Baby did not come in. Let's try out the couch. I think I do want baby in here. Yes. I think they need swap. Yes. Then we have, what is serious? Forgive. We all need forgiveness. Explaining. We have some explaining to do. Aww. Sad and trouble. Aww. Console him. Comfort him. Aww. And now the cuddles. Chat. Sit. Sweet caress. Kiss on lap. Oh my. Oh yes. Oh, it's continuing. Oh my. These are nice chairs. Chesterfield sofa. Very nice. Where are we at? Doesn't say. I'm not sure. Let's try sweet caress, then kiss on lap. Yes, that was the one. Lay close. On lap. Oh, sit between lap. Couldn't figure out the shorthand for a moment there. Between lap. Oh. Next page. Lay on him. Aww. Lay on lap. Passionate kiss. Oh my. Quiet time. Watch him. Lean on knee. Stand cuddle. Comfort her. Ride cuddle. Right hug. Right kiss. I don't think my sweetheart and I ever got to do that because the only way she would be intimate was missionary style. She would never sit on my lap with her legs spread. And I'm very sorry that I couldn't get her to do things for me. Well, she's on top now. Stress relief. Leg caress. Oh. Caressing her legs. Kneeling kiss. He's kneeling. Summer, this is called. And here's the last page. On lap kiss. My. I have no more coffee. That means that our session is pretty near done. That, I think, is the last one. Okay. Now, baby didn't quite make the door, so we are going to get her in here. And I wanted her to be playing the harp. Play harp. Let's pan out and see baby playing the harp. Come on. Okay, that's the end of our session. We are going to come back here tomorrow and continue to enjoy our time at Nightingale's Victorian Winter at Cuttle Shore. Please like, please subscribe. Never forget to always remember every time the notification bell rings, an old man gets his wings, and you get to see more of my videos. Give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Can't call it a red button anymore because it isn't necessarily red, but it's always free. It just means that you get to come back again. Until then, have a great day. Bye. You appeared earlier.